Virus is a Malayalam film which is based on the deadly Nipah virus outbreak that took place in Kerala in 2018. Film released in 2019 and is directed by Ashik Abu. And right when I went into watching the movie, I was not really sure if I wanted to watch the movie, whether I wanted to watch a movie that was literally about what most of the world is going through right now. But I'm so glad I actually did watch the movie because it was amazing. I think the movie had some amazing writing, cinematography, direction, music and sound, and also amazing acting. It was like this big jigsaw puzzle that came together beautifully. So I want to start talking about the film from where the film actually starts, where you see this young doctor, Dr. Abid, who is going into the hospital. You see his everyday life. He's treating multiple patients at once. To the audience, this is something new, where you're seeing so many things happening at once, yet you see this guy who's completely calm and there's nothing on his face, even though things might be going on in his head, and he's just going about doing his normal day stuff. Yet the film is so intriguing right off the bat. It's maybe because of the rhythm that is there to the everything that he's doing. That's what the movie is great at doing, is that engaging you and intriguing you to know more about what is going to happen next. So in the beginning, I mentioned that the writing was great, and I think it was really well researched. It was giving you most of the facts that were related to this virus, as it were, and most of the film was very realistic, and the narrative of the film is non-linear, which makes it more engaging and kind of helps you to form the links between the outbreak and to tell you the story in a more engaging way, and also helps you to understand it better because you see things that are related to each other right next to each other. The next thing that I really liked was the editing, and the credit for making that non-linear structure that I was talking about earlier absolutely perfect goes to the editor, because they were able to put it all together well enough for the audience to feel all those things. There are some scenes that are actually edited so well that they can make your heart stop. One of which, for example, is that this couple is talking to each other. They're lying on their bed in their home and they're lying in a certain way, and cut to another scene where they're lying in the same position on the hospital bed, and it actually gives you goosebumps to watch that. Next up is the sound and the music, but mainly the sound. So the sound, background score, effects, like the sound effects along with the editing just added so much suspense and tension to the film. And the second part of it is also that the film knew where not to put sound, where to just let some scenes be, which was really great. Next up is the direction. All the previous things that I mentioned before came together beautifully because of the director's vision. The film was super realistic, and the credit has to go to this person who kept the movie grounded. And I loved how they'd give so much information about the virus as well. Like, I've written it down, how the virus started, what was the investigation, the spread of it, how they formed the missing links, the people involved in investigating, the doctors, the nurses, the patients, the families of every single character was also talked about at some point. It was all really well brought together, and for me the movie really worked because it was so realistic, almost to a point of being scientific or clinical, as if it was a documentary, but at the same time it could evoke emotions in me such as like fear, hope, sadness, and as a movie even suspense. So here I just want to mention that for me, someone who doesn't understand Malayalam or is not familiar with the Malayali crowd, it was a little difficult to keep up with the film. I was a little confused with the secondary characters and what's going on, and I did miss out on a few things, so I kept going back and trying to figure out what was happening. But that is something that somebody who doesn't understand the language has to deal with, because the film is by nature fast paced a little bit to somebody who is not familiar with it. Next up is the acting. The film is a multi-starrer. There are just so many characters, but I think all of them were equally good, and even as characters they were not overpowering each other. They were all holding their own places and positions in the film, which was great. So right off the bat there was Dr. Abid. I don't know his real name, but he was really good. I thought he did a really good job of emotionally investing me as an audience watching the film. I was totally invested in him and what was going on in his life, and like I said before, he intrigued me and I was drawn into the film right off the bat because of him. Then there was Parvati, who I know for a fact is just amazing as an actor, but even in the film where she was brilliant as the person who is supposed to be brilliant, and like she used to do these small nuances like shaking her head or nodding her head, like it made her so realistic in the film and so natural. Then there was this guy who was like the commissioner or something, I don't remember, but the actor is Tovino Thomas, and this is the first time I'm watching him in a movie. I thought his presence was really powerful, like his aura was powerful, he held his own position, and it also might have to do with the fact that he's really good looking, but still I thought he had a very like intriguing factor about him. Like every time he came on screen, you kind of like didn't know what he was actually thinking. Like he was saying all these things, but to me at least, it felt like there was something else also going on in his mind. Then there was Sobhan Shahir, who's just like so lovely. Like he is so good at doing these characters who are troubled, and I thought he was just beautiful. Then there was also the lab tester along with the minister and another minister, like all the heads, and all of them together as characters and even as actors worked really well. Now that I think of it, the movie also has a really strong female presence. Overall, I think the film gives a lot of perspective, how the government deals with it, what are the procedures that take place, how the people are affected by it sociologically, and most importantly, the perspective of doctors, how they deal with it, their personal lives are affected by it, and how they are selflessly able to fight this virus. That is what is most important. So that is the end of the video, and if you want to watch more of my Malayalam movie reviews, you just need to click on this playlist right now that is on your screen, and it will take you to all my Malayalam movie reviews, all of them. Just click on this thing that you see on my face. Yeah, that is it.